Gourds are versatile, fascinating plants that can transform your garden into a vibrant haven of greenery and unique shapes. Whether you're growing them for decoration, crafts, or their edible varieties, starting gourds from seeds is simple and rewarding. Let's take you through the process step by step. The first step is selecting the right seeds. Gourds come in various types, from bottle gourds to birdhouse gourds and even ornamental varieties. Choose seeds suited to your climate and purpose. Once you have your seeds, soak them in water for 24 hours to soften the hard outer shell. This helps speed up germination. After soaking, plant the seeds in seed trays or small pots filled with nutrient-rich soil. Sow each seed about ½ inch deep with the pointed end facing down. Place the trays in a warm, sunny spot, as gourds thrive in temperatures above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and you'll see seedlings emerge in 1 to 2 weeks. Once the seedlings are a few inches tall and have developed strong roots, it's time to transplant them into your garden. Choose a location with full sun and well-draining soil. Gourds are vigorous growers, so space the plants 3 to 5 feet apart to give them plenty of room to spread. For healthy growth, support your gourd plants with trellises or sturdy fencing. Gourds are natural climbers, and vertical growth keeps the fruits off the ground, preventing rot and pests. Regularly tie the vines to the trellis to guide their direction. Water your gourds deeply and consistently, especially during dry spells. Adding a layer of mulch around the base helps retain moisture. Feed the plants every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer to encourage lush foliage and fruit development. As the plants grow, watch for signs of fruiting. Depending on the variety, gourds can take anywhere from 80 to 120 days to mature. You'll know they're ready to harvest when the vines begin to dry and the shells harden. After harvesting, let the gourds cure in a dry, well-ventilated area for a few weeks. This ensures they're ready for crafting, decorating, or storing. For edible varieties, enjoy them fresh or prepare them as you would with other vegetables. Growing gourds from seeds is a journey of patience and care, but the results are immensely satisfying. With just a little effort, you can bring these unique plants